I'm going to show you how I clean up my design after I'm done embroidering. Of course, remove your hoops. Now I'm going to use my embroidery scissors to cut off all of these long pieces of thread. It's kind of like a trail that the embroidery machine left behind for the design. So I'll start with this one. So I cut away all of the long connecting threads. Something that I wouldn't bother cutting are these little tiny ones because I don't want to get too close to the blanket or the design and ruin it. Now the back. So this is tear away stabilizer, so I can just tear it off. So it tears off pretty easy. I'm just using one hand right now, so it looks harder than it is. So I tore off most of the stabilizer. Now I'm going to cut off these like long pieces of thread here. And I'm just cutting off like the long ones that are sticking out where there's like no need for it, but like something like, let's see, like this one here that's like kind of connecting it. I'll leave that. Okay, so I'm done cleaning up the back and the front. Now I'm just going to steam it to get rid of the creases from the hoop. So I just used my little hand steamer to get rid of that crease. Voila!